Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if a Slack message has been read. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, so make sure to stick around. Now this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are in a Slack channel, obviously, and they want to know if a coworker or team member has actually read their message. So let's go ahead and get started. Now here we are on our Slack channel, and so I've been trying to dig around as far as how to actually know if someone has read my Slack message. And unfortunately, there is no actual read receipts that Slack gives to kind of indicate that someone has read your Slack message. However, the workaround with this is that within our workspace or within our team, let me show you how we actually indicate whether or not we've read a message. So here I'm going to type in a test message here. So hello, how was your day? Now, in order for my other team members to indicate if someone has read the message, what we're going to do is that we're actually going to use this check mark emoji. So we simply just use emojis to actually indicate if a message has been read. So with that, not every single message that we type into Slack has an emoji notification, but the ones that are kind of important as far as like announcements goes or new updates go, I do require our team to actually send an emoji to kind of indicate that they've actually read my message. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.